Asphalt concrete. Asphalt concrete is a type of concrete in which the cement is replaced by asphalt, a dark, sticky substance derived from crude oil. Asphalt concrete is commonly used in the construction of surface roads, parking lots, airport roads, as well as the core of embankment dams. This concrete is manufactured in different ways. Most commonly used method is pouring the hot asphalt over a bed of aggregates and then pressed into it with a steam roller. Once the asphalt cools to the surrounding air temperature, it becomes strong enough to withstand